We're back with an old hack from 1776. I recently borrowed a book from our friends at BE Part of History. Now, in this book, it tells you multiple things of how they used to do things way back when, from moonshine to marmalade, vinegar, and even another way to keep lemons. What you're gonna need is a needle and a thread and one nice-looking lemon. First, you thread your needle. Then you thread your lemon. Make sure to leave enough thread so you have enough room to hang your lemon afterwards. Well, there you go. That's a new way to do it I've never seen before. And thank you for watching. I'll leave an affiliate link below in case you're interested in anything I reviewed today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. And stay tuned for another episode of Hey Cooks!